Is your BMW Mini Cooper screen faulty, damaged, or display an incomplete image? Don't worry. We have you covered with this repair video and a link to an OEM quality replacement LCD part to get your display working again. Replacing the LCD in the CID central infotainment display unit is a cost-effective solution, allowing for specific faulty part to be replaced with no need for coding after replacement. First off, confirm your central infotainment screen matches the following images and part number: L5655 joules. If you have a different module fitted to your Mini, please visit our site as we have all types available to purchase. To begin the repair process, continue with the following steps. Remove the 5T20 Torx bolts and remove the screen module from the plastic housing. Release the clips on the buttons and remove the buttons module. Remove the 4 shorter T8 bolts from the screen's central infotainment display module. Remove the 4 longer T8 bolts from the screen's central infotainment display module. Release the clips holding the front plastic surround on infotainment screen module. Lift off and remove the aluminium metal housing. Remove the fan electrical connector on the PCB and lift off the daughter board. Lift off the fan and metal cage. Disconnect the 2 ribbon cables on the circuit board. Lift the tab on the connector to allow for the ribbon cable to be removed. After removing the ribbon cables, the circuit board can be lifted off. Remove the 3 T8 Torx bits to remove the metal frame from the screen. Remove and replace the defective screen. Reassemble in the reverse of these instructions, but take care with the following points. When ensure the conductive paste is respread to ensure good contact. When reinstalling ribbon cables, ensure they are fully seated before latching into place. You can confirm ribbon cables are fully seated by checking only one white line is visible after installation. We hope this instruction from QuickCycle has helped you repair your vehicle. Please give our video a like and a comment. If you need a replacement screen, please visit our UK website from the link in the description for an OEM quality replacement part available to be shipped worldwide.